Managing an entire fleet of IoT devices shouldn't be a logistical nightmare. If you're manually updating firmware device by device, struggling to diagnose offline hardware, or wrestling with complex code just to get your data into the cloud, you know you are losing valuable time and resources. IoT Complete is our comprehensive offering designed to support the entire lifecycle of your connected products. While IoT Complete provides a full suite of features to scale your business, in this film we're going to focus specifically on its powerful device management capabilities. Let's look at how our platform simplifies everything from building and deploying firmware to monitoring health and routing data. It all starts here in our IoT Complete portal, which allows you to easily create firmware without complex coding. In this example, we are setting up a Modbus firmware configuration over an Ethernet connection. You simply input the host name, port, and the register you want to read from. IoT Complete lets you control exactly how often data is sent to the cloud, for example, by adding a batch node to transmit every 30 seconds. We then define our cloud bridge destination and set up the network connection, whether that is via a modem or Wi-Fi. You can even add an analog input alongside the Modbus protocol, giving you complete flexibility over the data you want to collect. The value here is simplicity. You define your device behavior in minutes, not days. Once your firmware is saved, updating your fleet is incredibly fast. Instead of updating devices individually, IoT Complete allows you to deploy your new firmware to hundreds of devices simultaneously. In this example, we simply select all 200 device subscriptions and push the deployment with a single click. This mass rollout capability saves you immense operational time and ensures your entire fleet is consistently up to date. Immediately after deployment, you'll need to know it worked as planned. Our platform provides instant feedback. By using the trace function, we can watch the devices start sending their data right before our eyes. And this isn't just raw code. This is the vital, real-world information you programmed your devices to read from your products. Whether you're tracking oil pressure, monitoring temperature, checking mileage, or verifying if a door is locked, you see it here instantly. You can dive directly into these incoming data packets to verify everything you configured is transmitting correctly. This immediate visibility gives you the confidence that your remote deployments are successful. Of course, ongoing device management is just as crucial as the initial setup. Our surveillance center gives you a bird's eye view of your entire network's health. You can instantly see how many devices are operating normally, which ones are powered off, and which are returning errors or warnings. If a device isn't connecting, you can drill down to see exactly why, whether it is experiencing low network coverage, struggling to connect, or simply has an unplugged cable. This proactive monitoring allows you to troubleshoot issues remotely and swiftly, saving you from unnecessary and costly site visits. Your data is only valuable if it gets to the right place. IoT Complete makes it effortless to forward your incoming device data to your preferred destination. Whether you use Webhooks, Amazon SQS, Azure, or other options, you can define exactly where your data should securely land. This means your IoT data integrates seamlessly with your existing cloud infrastructure and business applications. From frictionless firmware creation and instant mass deployments, to powerful network surveillance and simple cloud integration, we've seen how the device management capabilities of IoT Complete takes the headache out of running your fleet. But remember, device management is just one piece of the puzzle. To discover the full potential of the broader IoT Complete offering and start scaling your operations efficiently, contact us today to book a demo.